Okay, welcome to question number 2. All right, this says using pi equals 3, what is the circumference of the circle? All right, so that's kind of nice that they're allowing us to use 3 instead of 3.4. The first thing we need to do is find out what formula we're going to be using. So circumference equals 2 and then pi, which is, if you go up here, you can go into Insert, Special Characters. Over here, type pi. Grab your pi character right there if you want to, and it makes the pi symbol. 2 pi r, that's your formula. So I'm going to type formula so you know what it is we're using. Oops, not A, or S. So that's my formula. So my equation is going to be where I insert all the information I know. I don't know what my circumference is because I'm trying to figure that out. I bring down the 2 because I haven't done anything with it yet. And then what I'm doing is I'm multiplying. When everything is stuck together like this 2 pi r, when it's all squished together, I'm multiplying. So I'm going to use an x so you understand what I'm doing. Pi, over here, they said they want it to equal 3. So I'm going to put 3 times r. What is r? Well, r is my radius. We knew that from the problem before. That's what r equals. And the radius is a line from the center of the circle all the way to the outer edge. Right here it says my radius is 7. If I can't see that, I need to go to View, Zoom, and make that bigger. So now I can actually see. So where it says r in my formula, I'm just going to type in 7. Now, when you look at this, you can see C equals 2 times 3 times 7. I use PEMDAS anytime I have kind of a equation like this. I need to use my order of operations. Do I have any parentheses? Because P equals parentheses? Nope. Do I have any exponents? Nope. Do I have multiplication? You bet I do. Now, when we do order of operations, we do multiplication from left to right. 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6 times 7. I'm just bringing down my 7 because I haven't done anything with that yet. Now, 6 times 7, and I'm just going to delete it because I wanted you to see. I did 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 7, since I didn't do anything with that yet, I had just brought it down. 6 times 7 equals 42. Now, here's your label right here, KM. Need to remember that. I'm going to go back up here to my view, zoom, and I'm going to make it fit so you can see everything going on. Do I have a 42 as my answer? You bet I do. So I'm going to take this, move it over to B. I'm going to click on this, make sure I have my white cross going on there, and I'm going to drag and drop it up here. So Oskar Schindler, he was a subject of the 1993 movie Schindler's Factories. Whoops, I grabbed the wrong one. I'm like, that is not correct. I know that because it's called Schindler's List. So if you grab the wrong one, take it back down and grab the correct one. I could even tell that when I went back there. Shh, sorry, my dog is barking. I could even tell that when I went back down and saw that I had grabbed the A information instead of B. So I just corrected it. So this is what we do. This is all you're doing today is you're getting the formula. You're substituting your values into that formula, and then you're solving for what it is. We were solving for circumference because that's what it says right here, and that's where we get our circumference formula for the radius when we have a radius. This is what I want to see on this slide here where it says formula, equation, and then PEMDAS, meaning just order of operations. What did you do to solve this? If you don't want to put PEMDAS, you can actually put answer like that. If that's something that makes more sense to you, then that would work as well.